from the middle, or in the shoulder also it is coming in the middle. It is ending on the face somewhere. Now it is becoming gallbladder meridian and supplying whole body. This is a triple Bowman meridian. We can see it is starting from the ring finger. So on the ring finger we find triple Bowman 1 or TE1. The meaning of T is triple energizer. So from the ring finger, TE1 is starting, or triple Bowman 1 or triple energizer 1. It is going from the mid, and it is ending on the face. Now it is becoming gallbladder meridian. Now we can look at here. Gallbladder meridian is starting from the lateral angle of the eye and supplying side of the head, side of the ear, side of the neck, side of the breast, side of the abdomen, side of the thighs, and side of the legs. The meaning of Taiyang, who is supplying back side of the body. Then Shaoyang, who is supplying lateral side of the body, and Yangming, who is supplying front side of the body. We have covered whole body. This is the all yang meridian. But we know, even in the electricity, we have one wire of the man energy, manpower, and we have second wire. We are telling earthing. So without yin, yang is not complete. So now we will discuss about the yin. That yin energy is starting from the feet and going up, traveling whole body and exiting from the fingers. So now, first we will discuss in the same way the energy which is in the front side of the body, because we again having three yin energy. One yin energy who is supplying front part of the body. Second yin energy who is supplying back part of the body. Third yin energy who is supplying lateral side of the body. So with the help of three yin energy, we have covered whole the body. So now, first, I will tell you the energy which is supplying front side of the body. The name of this energy is Tai Yin. The meaning of Tai Yin, the energy. The meaning of Tai Yin, the energy who is supplying front side of the body. So entering from the feet and traveling through the body. We have divided in two parts, lower Tai Yin and upper Tai Yin. So lower Tai Yin means spleen, and upper thigh means lungs. So what is the meaning of spleen? The spleen is the energy, lung is the energy, means lung plus spleen are the energy who come in thigh family, and they have responsibility to supply only front side of the body. So spleen enter from our feet, supply front part of the legs, coming up, then supply some front part of the body, ending somewhere on the chest. All the yin energy ending in the chest region. And the branch of the same yin energy is starting from the chest region only, and they are passing through the fingers, exiting through the fingers. So the spleen energy is coming and ending on the chest, becoming lungs energy, and that is ending from the finger. What is the meaning of formula 1, 2, 3? The meaning of 1, to diagnose the sick meridian, to diagnose the disease meridian, to finding out where is the problem, where are the problems, like suffering with the knee pain. So finding out the painful area, that is our step number 1. And 2, who will treat this? Liver belong to Zhu-Yin family. Zhu-Yin. You can look at here. Liver belong to Zhu-Yin family, and Zhu-Yin family having 2 organs, pericardium and liver. So pericardium will treat the liver. So we got the meridian who can treat this, that is pericardium. Step number 2 completed. So 1, 2, 3. Now step number 3. What is the meaning of step number 3? Mirroring, imaging. So we have discussed pericardium in the arms, and elbow joint look like knee. So pericardium will treat the knee. So we have completed formula 1, 2, 3. Now, we will discuss little more about the number two. Number two means who can treat? Who else can treat? So again, as per the Dr. Tan has been given some relationship and told that who else can treat the sick meridian. So as per the rule number 1 of Dr. Tan, always you have to resolve the matter in your own family. Do not take the help of anyone else. Problem of the Tai Yin, resolve in the Tai Yin. Problem of the Shao Yang, resolve in the Shao Yang. In the same manner, anywhere problem is there, you found, you have to resolve the matter in the same family. Like problem in the stomach meridian, who belong to Yang Ming. So you have to treat the large intestine meridian. So our formula number 1 completed. Now formula number 2 as per the Dr. Tan. The formula number 2 meaning the system of casting means like Patel will treat the Patel, like Ritesh Patel will treat Anurag Patel. Hemant Sharma will treat Anupam Sharma. Means the casting system. You can treat the person of your caste only. This is the rule number 2. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this, Sarma means Sarma will treat Sarma, Burma will treat Burma, means Tiwari will treat Tiwari, Thakur will treat Thakur in that way. So this is the casting system, rule number 2. The meaning of this, Tai Yin will treat Tai Yang. Shao Yin will treat Shao Yang. So now look at here. So this is the Tai Yin. The meaning of Tai Yin is lungs and spleen. And the meaning of Tai Yang means small intestine and urinary bladder. So now we will understand the second formula here. So coming here, look at here. So this is the Tai Yin. Tai Yin means lung channel. This is the lung channel. And spleen channel. Lung and spleen both together called Tai Yin. So if someone is suffering with the problem of, suppose, elbow pain here in this part, if someone is having any pain of the elbow in this part on the lung meridian or anywhere else, so you found out that lung is painful, or someone is having wrist pain, suppose wrist pain here, where we see the pulse, where we see the nadi, and we can see here lungs meridian go from here where we see the nadi, pulse. So this is the Tai Yin. Now, as per the rule number 2, Tai Yin can be treated by the Tai Yang. So this is the lungs and spleen, both belong to the Tayin family. And in the opposite hand, this is the Taiyang, means small intestine and urinary bladder. So we should remember the name. What is the meaning of Taiyang? The meaning of Taiyang in SI means small intestine and urinary bladder, who supply back part of the body. So the problem in the wrist or problem in the elbow in the lung meridian. So suppose this is the problem in the lung 5. Someone is telling, oh doctor, I am suffering with the elbow pain and showing this part is painful. So we will take the help of Taiyang for treating this. Now in Taiyang we have two. One is small intestine in the upper body and one is urinary bladder in the lower body. So who will treat? Small intestine will treat or UB treat? UB will treat. So now question comes of the polarity. What is the polarity? Means male attract female. Again, female attract male. So yin attract yang and yang attract yin. So upper body parts attract the lower body parts and lower body parts attract the upper body part. Means hand will attract the legs and leg will attract the hands because they are having different polarity. So the meaning of this, if you want to treat the lungs, go to the lower yang, lower Taiyang means bladder channel. And in the same way, if you want to treat the small intestine, go to the spleen channel. So we make the polarity like that. We can understand the polarity here in that way. In the cross means this spleen will be treated by small intestine and this one, our lungs will be treated by the bladder channel. This is the bladder channel. This is the polarity, means the meridian in the hand will be treated by the leg meridian. Bladder is the leg meridian. And the meridian of the hands means small intestine will be treated by the leg meridian, which is spleen meridian. So this become a cross. Means upper body will treat the lower body will treat the upper body. So we have lung upper and spleen lower in the Taiyang family. And Taiyang, small intestine upper and bladder lower. So bladder is lower. So bladder is lower, so we'll treat the lungs, who is upper. So we have to make the cross polarity, means upper will treat the lower and lower will treat the upper. Then it will become a very good plus minus polarity. So now someone is suffering with the pain in the elbow on the location of lung 5. So this is Tai-yin. Now we are coming in the Tai-yang bladder channel. So now where we can treat? Definitely we have to treat in the legs. So this is the legs. Now in the leg, where will we treat? In the leg, this knee looks like elbow because hip look like shoulder joint, knee look like elbow, ankle joint look like wrist joint. So knee look like elbow. So we will put the needle in the knee on the bladder meridian for treating the lungs, elbow pain. So we have again point number 1, 2, 3. 1, finding out the